Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Battle of the G Guide. I'm Dimitri.
And I'm Taya, and today we are here in Gapyeong. And this episode is going to be super exciting. This is all about the experiences surrounded by the mountains and rivers.
The river crossing this region is called Bukhan River. There's so many lakes, so many nice forests, nature, and it's easily accessible by train.
Today's theme is all about nature and some action-packed activities.
Now guys, it's time to welcome our new guest. Andy, come in.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Great, yeah. I can't believe that the beautiful nature like this is so close to Seoul.
You haven't seen anything yet. So Andy, the concept of the video, as you may know, you will have to decide which location you prefer the most between mine and TS.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to go. Let's go.
Go then.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's get it.
So this is our first stop here. We are at Gapyeong Station Leisure, which is an ATV course that anyone can do easily.
I've never rode this in my life, but I always wanted to, and now I have this chance. I'm amazed, yeah.
Me too. I've always wanted to do this, so I'm super excited. But don't worry, we're gonna get like a helmet and full safety gear. So it's something that anyone can do if you just learn like a few things how to do it.
Oh, sounds perfect.
You
yeah.
ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Perfect. 감사합니다.
Ah. Okay, got it.
How do I, like just like that?
What is it here? I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, fits perfect.
Oh, mine too. Make sure it's like tight.
Good, yeah.
Let's go.
Perfect.
Okay, so before we go, let's practice a little first. I'll go first. Ooh. Ooh. Ah!
It's like a driving school back in the days.
Okay, we're going again. What should I sing for you? 여러분, 너무 보고 싶었어요.
I hope we're not too loud for the birds. Goes uphill. Woo! Everyone should try this at least once in their lifetime. This is super fun.
Bring you guys away from me. You're coming way too close, guys.
Look at all that nature here, wow. All here, the trees, beautiful nature, wow. Feels like a holiday trip. Yo! Can we go another round, please? And then we're gonna speed up a little bit. All right, water it is.
This suddenly feels a lot more dangerous. Whoa.
It's basically feeling the earth a little bit, you know? All the soil under it. Get a feeling of different terrain.
Ah! Ah! We're literally driving through the water. Oh my god, this is shaking so much, guys. That was quite something, right?
I'm speechless. It was so healing experience and the beautiful nature, the amazing weather. the very refreshing river down there where my socks all got wet. Very cool.
Because he's not good at it. I'm completely dry. But I think since it's so hot, you should go to the river now, get some water refreshment. I think we all need that. So you should go meet Dimitri.
All right, let's do it, yeah?
Let's do it. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo!
All right, Andy, welcome back.
Where are we? What's coming up next?
So now we are in Gapyeong Paji. It's gonna be a lot of fun because it's a water sports spot very famous in Korea. So here you can do some water ski, wakeboarding, even fly fish rides. Can you imagine?
Wow, that's amazing. Everyone having a good time. Finally out of the city. This is pure healing here.
Are you ready? Are you excited?
Always ready.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's get it.
All right, Andy, are you ready? Did you get all the equipment?
As you can see, I got my life vest on, swimsuit, and even the aqua socks. I'm ready to go.
Show it to me. Like, look at that. It's perfect, right?
It's perfect, yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna do some wakeboarding.
Oh, I've never done that in my life. Maybe scary, I don't know.
It is scary, but it's also extremely fun. So don't worry about it. I got you. Let's go for it.
Let's do this.
Go.
Hey.
All right. You ready? Let's go. I may fall down in the beginning.
Wow! Woohoo! Then your knee, this knee, your. Oh yeah, okay, like that, yeah. Next time.
Okay, Andy, are you ready for a little race? Speed?
Always ready,
Yeah?
yeah. Let's do it.
Okay, may the winner win. Yes! Yes! I made it!
Good job, bro.
Good job, Andy. You did great. Woo! All right, Andy, how was today? Did you have fun?
Wow, it was amazing.
It was crazy, right?
Yeah.
Well, a little bit scared on the flying fish, right?
The flying fish was scary. I always thought it drops over or something.
Exactly, but a lot of fun. Also, thank you again for coming to Gapyeong with me.
Thank you.
It's time now to meet Thea.
Yeah,
and
let's go.
have the final round with her.
Let's
go.
get it.
Hello! we are back. You guys just came back from wakeboarding. I heard you guys had a lot of fun. Is that true?
Yeah, I have to thank both of you guys. It was amazing. Starting off the day with the ATV, very adventurous. Then we went to the water sports. I tried wakeboarding for the first time in my life. I can't believe this, all in one day.
Awesome, man. But now here's the moment that you have to choose between the Gapyeong Paji or the ATV. Which was your favorite, Andy?
That's such a hard decision to make. I think I'm going with the wakeboarding.
Yes! Here we go.
Yeah, that was amazing, yeah.
Unfortunately, this is our last episode today. We had 5 really fun episodes where we got to explore 5 different cities here in Gyeonggi-do. I had so much fun. We got to see so many different cool things.
Thank you guys so much for following all these episodes. A pleasure to meet Tia and the other guests. And guys, it's time now to say goodbye. Goodbye, but see you soon maybe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Guys, this is the benefit of the day, the Gapyeong Pineapple Sand Cookies, which are made only in this area in Gapyeong. 잘 먹겠습니다.